Hey, hey, it's Berta Jay, and you're back in my kitchen with me today to do something a little different than I usually do. We're going to make 3 different things from plain unsweetened yogurt. These are recipes that I have enjoyed and I thought I'd share them with you. Hope you like them. Don't forget to like and subscribe this video, okay? Let's do it. First, you need the yogurt. Now, use about a half a cup of yogurt. And to it, you will add 2 tablespoons of your favorite mustard. I have a lot of favorites, but my, I guess, all-time favorite is just plain old yellow mustard. The next thing you'll add is a teaspoon of apple cider vinegar. Get it all. Each of the little drips, everything in there makes a difference. A teaspoon of, I am using dried dill. The last thing that's added is a smidgen of salt, smidgen of pepper, and 1/4 of a teaspoon of sweetener. I use xylitol. Add that to your bowl. Scrape up all the little pieces. Now you're going to mix. What this is good for, you'll find a lot of uses for it, but I like to put it on potatoes. I'm just going to take one and try it, drag it across here. It's a lot. Stick another piece on. That was very tasty. Do you believe me? I like that because I like mustard. That's the first one done. The second one is simple, very simple. You take your yogurt, about 1/3 or half a cup, and to it you will add 1.5 tablespoons of your favorite vinaigrette. Just pour it right in and mix it. That's it. Now this is a really good mixture for, you could use it as a salad dressing if you want. And when it's all mixed together well, you will use some cut up vegetables to dip in here. If it's your favorite vinaigrette, you're going to like this. Don't try something strange that you've never tried before. Do 1.5 tablespoons of your own favorite vinaigrette. Okay, now we've got a last one. These 2 are savory. The last one, I used a little bit more yogurt, but into it, I put 2 tablespoons of my favorite jelly. That's not sweetened with sugar. It's just sweetened with fruit juice. This seems so simple, but it is really very tasty. And this can be a way for you to end your meal. I usually like something a little sweet, might be fruit, but this is one of the things I have eaten a lot. This is really good. These things are so simple. That's the end of the video. I'm all done. And I hope you liked it. Don't forget to leave me some comments below and let me know what you think. If you don't want to leave a comment, you don't have to, but I would love to hear from you. Okay? Bye for now.